Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of UltData app. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we go to UltData app and you enter. In this page of app info, we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn on your airplane mode. And we'll turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.